continuing to watch here the western skies over downtown Indianapolis. Gloomy, if that's the word, on such a cold, snowy day as this.
Actively snowing right now, Stephanie?
Yes, for a lot of us, we are starting to see snow move right back in. This is still a part of the first round of snow that we'll see today. And we do and are slowly starting to see more snowfall accumulation trickle in right now. Fairland at 2 inches. Westfield, you're also at about 2 inches of snow from what we saw from midnight to now. Fishers at about 1.5 inches. Likewise in Martinsville, Indianapolis at about 1 inch of snow. So that puts us pretty much right on par for what we were forecasting for this morning, around 1 to 2 inches for the morning drive. We saw it create some issues here. It is going to be cold. And then the second round of snow, this is going to impact the afternoon drive and evening drive. And this is going to be heavier and steadier snow. This is going to start just after 12:30, 1 o'clock. We could have snowfall rates upwards of around 2 inches for spots here throughout central Indiana. And then tomorrow morning, a few flurries are going to linger, but I think tomorrow morning is going to be a tough commute for us as well. We have snow showers just north of I-70, some darker bands indicating maybe some slightly heavier snow near Kokomo. Otherwise, that's going to track towards the north and east. Additional light scattered snow showers also south and east of Indianapolis. And then our second batch of snow, you notice here now exiting Texas into parts of Arkansas, southern Missouri. That's headed towards central and southern Illinois. With that, though, that is prompting winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, pretty much from Texas expanding up towards the northeast. Our winter storm warning goes until about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So this is going to be an all-day event for us here. Notice a break in the snow late morning. Early afternoon, 12:30, we'll start to see snow move into southwest Indiana. This is going to spread in rather quickly, so by around 2:30, 3 o'clock. We could see some heavier bands of snow set up, and this is going to be a steady and pretty consistent snow through the rest of the day today. The evening commute is looking awful. If you can, I would leave work slightly earlier this afternoon. And then by around 7 o'clock, we're still tracking widespread, steady and heavy snow. By 10 o'clock, we'll start to see it ease up just a little bit in southwest Indiana. By midnight tonight, it'll start to become a little bit more flurry-like activity leading into early tomorrow morning. But our weather impacts, especially during the afternoon and evening hours, is going to be the commute. We'll see high accumulation. Timing is not the best. We will see winds, and that's going to create blowing and drifting snow, which will also limit visibility later on this afternoon and early evening. By tomorrow morning, I think upwards of around 10 to 12 inches of snow. There might be an isolated 13 inches in the further north you live, closer to South Bend, around 6 to 10 inches by early tomorrow morning. Right now it is cold too, so we're factoring in very cold temperatures. 12 degrees in Indianapolis, 10 in South Bend, 15 Muncie, 1 Chicago. Feel like temperatures in the at least sub-zero. A lot of us feeling like we're 1 below this morning in Indianapolis, 17 degrees below zero in Chicago. 4 below up in South Bend. So not only are we seeing snow this morning, it is also very cold, and our temperatures are going to remain on the colder side through the day today. 16 by 1. Temperatures will hold at 17 through the rest of the afternoon with feel-like temperatures in the single digits through the entire day today. 17 in Indianapolis this afternoon, 15 up in South Bend tonight. We'll see temperatures return to either the lower teens or single digits. 8 in Lafayette, 10 in Indy, 9 in Bloomington tomorrow morning. And tomorrow there is that chance of a few morning flurries. Otherwise, I think we see a little bit of a break from the winter-like precipitation tomorrow. But we're not completely finished this week. Temperature-wise, we are going to be cold, 15 in Indy, 20 in Chicago, and then mid to late week, we have our second opportunity for accumulating snow that arrives late in the day Wednesday, and it's going to linger through most of the day come Thursday. And we could actually see additional snowfall accumulation out of that system as well. Chapman Heating and Cooling 8-day forecast. Otherwise, does show a break from any snow Friday and Saturday. High temperatures are also going to start to trend a little warmer too. Upper 20s Saturday, mid-30s Sunday with a wintry mix. And then as we head through early next week, temperatures are starting to get a little closer to our seasonal high. We should be at around 40 degrees. We'll be in the upper 30s with a chance of a few morning snow showers come Monday.
You're watching Wish TV, Indiana's only statewide TV news network.